Boom, check it out, a Job Talk straight from out of New York City at 97. And check out YouTube right now, Petagaye live. You understand me? I say YouTube, you hear that? Jabba say boom.
I'm here with Latoya at work, right? So Latoya, we're going to have a Halloween costume presentation at work. She's going to put on her face and her hair and all of that. So I said, alright, for the person who never come to work and wants to see what she wear, I'm here for you guys. So those are the reasons why you should subscribe to my channel. That's the reason why. So far, our hair done here already. I don't know what character she's gonna be.
Myself.
I was just about to say that, but I was the one who was going to say that. So, well, I just say what she do and all she do it. Who knows? She might just be the only one featured in this video right now. But she mentioned to me that more persons are.
Yes, my viral, my arch nemesis.
Alright, yeah, she said she sees something. She said, guys, what's somebody else? What's that? Alright. So, what is what y'all get ready? Guys are interested in the subscribe as well. So,
glow in the dark to people.
Girl, you're really taking this so serious. You know
you have to charge these up.
So for Amazon I get it? No. Actually, I know you have to make it get ready, so?
It's $100 people. $100 for the best.
Oh my God! Wow!
Costume. So what do you think? Give away 100 or try get that 100?
So you tell somebody say I get ready. What for she and you alone are just ready?
Every year.
So you see what she said?
How come you're not ready yet? Every year. I can't make a good stand with this.
How will you get girl? I use for investment.
Yes, so one eyelash. I don't know how this works. I don't know how y'all do eyelash, but I'm not sure if this ever reach, but yeah.
You guys make sure you're tape and I'm catching the back right this time. Guys, watch her stick. Watch her. Girl, you come like you take it something serious.
Yes. You have to take it serious.
Yeah, give me some of the $100 there.
Well, let's see. If we get 100 views, why not? We'll give you a little something.
Yeah. Guys, I don't know what shadow, so let's go and watch her.
Yes, you have to take out the excess oil, so all of these things can stick.
I say y'all go be nice.
Yeah. Alright, first make it go on dry, hair dry.
You have to face some of that.
No. So do it up now. First and foremost, we need to knock out the eye. So what? One can see. And the one be fully blind. Guys, so this can stick because we're going to have one eye gone. You know, I'm this fantabulous girl, have on my makeup.
Is that every year thing?
Alright.
So guys, I will get back to you guys once she has more things on her face, because right now my memory is running low. Show the preview for now.
Alright, so I have to put on the gloves.
So who did you win last year? You and the girl?
No, I mean get the money last year, you know. This is too wide.
You from my YouTube channel for yourself, you know, 'cause I love the video lights, you know.
I don't like how it feel like me. Damn. The cotton. Want me to chill it off or whatever? Chill off one more for me. That one. Next thing we want is the miracle.
The wig. Have a brush there. And this.
Yeah. We'll put it on her first and then we'll brush it.
You brush it here first.
Alright.
People them can't see ready.
It'll come up. You see I'm gonna open it, kind of open it a little bit wider so I can put the blood in there. Well, okay. Carry down the back a little bit. Push underneath the ear. Oh yeah. You push underneath the ear?
Yeah. I can't see.
Some hooking at the sides.
I don't know if you're using that.
Like hook it in the sides so you can, like, you know. Alright, now kind of carry this. Is that one in your brush? You kind of brush it, put it behind the ears.
Guys, interested to subscribe.
Brush it, carry the all the way behind the ears. And then make the look free. No man, you can set it and then you and then you brush that now. Now you can, for the time being.